I'm here in the beautiful Bahamas with a set of Polarized brand new Roby swim goggles, which Roby did ask me to do this, and I was like, listen, unless you send me to the beautiful Bahamas, I'm not talking about your goggles. And they were like, hell no, we're not sending you anywhere. And I said, okay, we happen to be going on vacation. It would be perfect. I will bring them and try them out while we are in the sunny, beautiful Bahamas. So that's what we're going to do. A couple key features I want to talk to you about real quick. Number one, they are polarized. What that means is polarization takes that reflection out of the top of the water so you can see deep in the water, as if you can already see the bottom here. But in general, it's a great advantage to have polarized lenses. And then the other thing I always like to show people is how easy they are to adjust. You just simply push that button, pull it, push it, whichever direction, let go, and it locks. That's it. That's all there is to it. Then you put them on, go for a swim, which we're going to do that now. I can tell you for sure these things are awesome. Super comfortable, no leaks, love the visibility. Definitely next time you go into the Bahamas, bring these. See you next time.